Yes. Good evening, all.
Good evening, sir.
Sir.
Yes. Tell me, what is the topic today for this? Last class, what we have?
So
Full
last
answer
class
is
we did
sufficient.
FSL and volumes.
Okay. Shall we go for probability today?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Many of you are joining late. Actually, please don't be late. Okay, Shreyan. Let's join the meeting. Every one of you join it. Everyone, 14 participants should be there. 14 of you must join. Come on. Bhargav, why are you late?
Sir, I'm late because of network problem, sir.
Join the
Sir,
queue. Join the quiz. Who else didn't join, guys? Someone of you. Who else did not join? Please accept someone of. If you are joining, if you are about to join, please inform me, guys, so that I can wait you. If not, I'll just go for that. You understand? 14. Who else? Someone. One guy didn't join. Who's that? Please join it. I think Shreyan. Shreyan, join it quickly. Guys, 20 questions, 12 minutes. Make it fast. Yes, guys, finished?
Yes, sir.
I'm just winding up.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First Karanya, second Kavya, third Piyush. Very good. Bhargav, why Bhargav 76%?
Sir, your voice is very low.
No, I'm saying that why you got less.
Sir?
I'm saying that Bhargav. I'm asking Bhargav why you got less.
Sir, your voice is still very low, sir.
Is it with everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sir, it's very low.
Sorry, you can hear me? Can you hear me, guys?
Sir, it's a bit better, but not loud.
Yes, sir.
Now can you hear me?
Yes, now it's
Yes, sir.
okay.
Now it's more.
Yes, sir. Now it's audible.
Yeah. So yes, Bhargav, why you got less? Bhargav, are you here? Sujay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, why you got
Sir, I told you reason.
Sir.
why you got less, man? Can't you hear me?
Sir, the questions were a little bit hard, sir.
Sai Akshit,
So they're like, what is the probability of an accident in road, and then what is the probability
wait,
like,
wait.
of something like that, sir?
Now I didn't ask you what are the questions. I'm asking, please just do answer to that questions. Whenever we are discussing the questions, just will come back to you. No problem. Yes, Akshit. Akshit, nowadays I don't see you. You're getting above 90%, Akshit. Devasri, I don't see your marks also not getting improved, Devasri. Harini, you also. Are you here? Yeah, I'm talking to you. Respond here.
Yes, sir.
Tayaba,
Yes, sir.
what is the problem, Tayaba?
So actually, last quadrilateral quiz or something, I scored third rank or fourth rank.
No, what happened in this quiz? I don't see the
This
consistent
quiz,
performance.
I did not revise probability chapters actually.
Okay. What about all of you? And what about Nitya? Nitya, are you here?
Sir, you can hear me?
I can hear you. Nitya, who was talking just now?
Sir, Shan, sir, you can hear me. I told
I
right.
can hear you, Shreya. Nitya, she is not here. Tayaba,
Yes, sir.
what is the reason you got very less?
Sir, in the quiz, the probability question I did not understand, sir.
Okay, shall we go for the discussion of probability now? Shall we go for the review? Questions review?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. And I have also not revised.
Just a minute. Everyone can see the screen right here.
Yes, sir.
Tell me which of the following cannot be a probability of an event.
So minus
Minus 1.5.
So minus
Minus
1.5.
how much?
Minus 1.5.
Very simple. Now next question, guys. Tayaba, are you here? Tayaba, Tayaba, Harini, and guys, you know, right? Probability. This cannot be.
We are
limited.
here.
Yes.
Um,
Just please do talk in the class. Do respond, Tayaba ji. Akshit, I don't get performances from you, Akshit, nowadays. I need you to bounce back, Akshit. Please. Are you here, Akshit? Akshit.
Yes, sir.
Yes. I should see you get good marks.
Okay, sir.
Shreyan, nowadays you are not attempting, giving an excuses.
Sir, sir, what is this? Sir?
No,
Really,
what?
sir?
See, I don't care whatever the excuse you give. Basically, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, I'll give. I just accept. If you keep on giving, the same excuse, I never accept. Whomever it may be, I'm not going to accept it. To be honest, why? Because this is for you. You have to make sure that your things are perfect. I don't think so. There will be a network issue. Why? Because we are living in a 5G technology. I mean 5G
Sir,
world right
but
now.
sir, but the quizzes when all apps I'm getting, sir, except the quiz only. Opening means it is not coming, sir.
No. What
Yes, sir.
is the problem with it? What is the problem with that?
I don't know, sir. Now I am now I'll get it or not get it. I don't know, sir.
No.
Now all my internet issues cleared. Now I should. If you send another quiz, I should try it.
Yeah, no problem. That leave it. So if you're trying with the device, please change the device. Then you try to join
Okay,
with a mobile phone or
Okay, sir.
mother your mom's phone or dad's phone. Try with that.
Okay, sir.
Or else if you are using a system, try with that. If you are having laptop, you try with
Okay.
that. See, you can't keep joining
Yes,
with the
sir.
same device.
Sir, I
Okay.
can accept that you cannot believe that, but truth is this one, sir. I can give the explanation.
No problem. See, I can believe you for couple of instants, not every instant.
Yes.
I can't believe that. I'm not saying that I don't believe you. See,
Yes.
I believe that. Whatever the reason you're saying, I believe that. But the problem is what? You can't give the same excuse every time. You just make a solution of that. You understand my point?
Yes.
So there is a difference.
Yes.
There is a difference in not believing and not finding a solution for that. You understand?
Yes.
You
Yes, sir.
understand? I believe every
Yes.
one of you here. It is not like that, I can't believe anyone. I believe every one of you, to be honest. But the thing is, if you are giving me the same excuse, which means you are irresponsible. You understand? You have to find a solution for that. Every question, every problem has a solution in the world. You know that, right?
Yes, sir.
So that is the reason. That is not a big problem at all. Please make sure that you are not repeating again, please. Nitya,
Okay,
are
sir.
you here, Nitya? Nitya, this is for you, Shreyan. Nitya, are you here?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Nitya, are you
Sir,
here?
one thing I want to say, my exams are completed, sir, of 9th class.
You are going to 10th class now?
Sir?
You done with your final exams?
Yes, sir. Today only it completed. Today I wrote the final last test.
Okay. So now, Nitya, are you here, Nitya? First, let me just talk to the people why they are not attending quizzes. Nitya Sri Kruti.
Yes, sir.
What is the problem, beta? Why you are not attending a quiz?
Sir, I got disconnected, sir.
Then why can't you join it? Why can't you rejoin it?
Sir, there was an internet problem. I just rejoined the class.
No. Look at this here. With what device you are using for writing a quiz? Mobile phone, laptop, or system? PC?
Sir, my laptop.
Laptop. So if you are not able to join the laptop, just try using the mobile phone, right?
Okay. I will not repeat it from next time.
See, I don't see, this is not the first time. I have been observing. That is the reason I'm just calling individually and just talking to you all. You understand my point? This is not the first time. Do you accept that? Is this the first time you are just not attempt the quiz? Did you attempt full quizzes so far?
Yes, sir, I did.
Very good. If you did, no problem. But if you are not doing, there is not a problem. Okay.
I always attempt the quiz, sir. Today
Very
I got disconnected.
Very good. When you disconnect, please make sure that you are rejoining with the other device. Take mom's phone or dad's phone and join through that. Okay. Okay. So I should see Nitya, you are getting next time 90%, above 90%. All right.
Okay, sir.
Great. Okay. And who is that? Sujay, you also should change the device, Sujay, and change the device and just find a solution for that. You can't give me that I'm getting glitches every time. Please. You have to change the system. Please, but take a mobile of mom or dad, or use laptop or PC, whatever you have. Please change the device. Okay. Try joining with a different device and try it. So you can't join with the same device, like if you are getting an issue. So you understand, Beta? You can't lose it. Yes. Next question. So the probability that a non-leap year selected at random will have 53 Sundays. How many have you done this question, guys?
Me.
Very, very good
So I
question.
didn't understand what this question meant.
Yes, I'll explain.
Yes, sir.
I'll explain. See, I love basically I love the people who are asking openly. Basically, I just appreciate whenever I appreciate always Sujay. Sujay ask straightforwardly he ask if he doesn't understand anything. So I want you guys to be like that. Every one of you. Yes, many of you are like that. But yes, many of you are understanding in a well manner. Those who are understanding, they are not asking. Yeah, I'm there. I appreciate for that as well. But the people who are not understanding, they ask immediately. Sujay is one of them. I appreciate for that, to be honest. And many of you are not asking. Many of you are not asking. Many of you are not asking. Though you are not, understanding, you are not responding to that question. You understand my point? Hello, people. See, I
Yes,
recognize. I just, yes. If you talk, I can just tell who is talking. Actually, I just know everyone's voice over here. You understand? More 90%, I can say that. If someone is talking, I can say who is talking. All right, guys, how many have you done this question? How many have you not understood? Tell me. Sujay, yes, one of them. Yes, what about others?
Me.
Who's that?
Hanya.
Anya. Okay.
Can you explain the leap year questions? Actually, we have got this as in our exam, sir.
Okay.
So I've just got the answers directly because I knew since it was in our question paper. But can you explain it?
Acha. Definitely we'll go for that. It was a direct question from your textbook and all. I mean, like the book you are using, which you are using.
No, actually, our sir was conducting a quiz, and in that online quiz, so he sent the link. So we had the questions in this. The next day, he explained us the answers.
Right. Not an issue. Look at this. We will discuss it now. Yes. Look at the question here. What he has given here, a probability that a non-leap year is nothing but what? A leap year which has 366 days. Leap year is nothing but, everyone should know that. What is the difference between leap year and non-leap year? Leap year will be having a 366 days. A leap year has 365 days. All right. Non-leap year has 365 days and a leap year has 366 days. All right. Is it clear? Look at this. The probability that a leap year, a non-leap year selected at random will have 53 Sundays is what? Let's look at this here. Non-leap year. If I talk about non-leap year will be having 365 days. Leap year is nothing but 366 days. You understand? He's asking that
yes,
a non-leap year selected at random will have 53 Sundays. What is the probability of that? Look at this. Basically, if I have a non-leap year, how many Sundays will be possible here? 52 Sundays. Here, look at this here. Now 366 can be written as what? 365 plus 1, right? See, you understand, people. 365, 1 year get fills here. And one extra day. That extra day can be any day, right? That can be Monday, it can be Tuesday, it can be Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It can be anything, right? What is the probability of being Sunday? That is what the question. 1 by 7. Very simple. Isn't it easy thing, guys? Sujay, you
in a
understand
week, 7 days. Yes.
Sujay,
Yes, sir, but the amount of days will be same only.
No.
So you're saying only that one Sunday might be extra.
Yes, that is what I'm saying. You see, non-leap year has what 365 days, which means 52 Sundays. Do you agree with my point? 52 weeks. All right.
Yes,
Year
sir.
I'll be
Yes,
having
sir.
56.
Understood.
52 weeks means 52 Sundays. All right. In leap year, what happens? 366 days, which means 365 plus 1. Yes.
Sir, isn't it like for non-leap year it will be 1 odd day and for leap year it is 2 odd days?
Yes, sir. It should be like that actually.
Yeah, because
Yes.
365 by 7 is with remainder 1 we are getting 52, right?
Yes, sir.
I didn't
So
get you.
366 is 2 odd days.
Yeah.
So sir, it should be 365 plus 1, meaning like 2 odd days for leap year.
No. See, I didn't mean it that way. See, I didn't mean it in that way actually. So whatever I wrote here,
Oh.
365 days, whatever the remaining day you have, right? That is the question. The remaining, the
Yes, sir.
left which you left with, that day could be any day, right?
Yes, sir.
Among those 7 days, that could be any day. For your understanding purpose, I wrote like that. I didn't mean in that way. Please try to understand it.
Yeah, because for leap year we have 2 odd days.
Yes, exactly.
Yes.
So I didn't mean that way, please. So that day could be anything. That extra day I have, right? That extra day, that could be
Yes,
any
sir.
day. Among those 7 days, that could be any day. So what is the probability of being Sunday? Out of 7 days,
1 by
isn't
7.
it? 1 by 7. You understand,
Yes,
Sunday?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Understood.
Okay. That one extra day, right? That probability of being Sunday, that is what? Probability of Sunday, that can be 1 by 7. Hope it is clear. Next question. A number is selected.
Sir, I
at
didn't
random.
understand this one. So can you please explain again?
See here, the question is, in a leap year, I'll be having 360 days, 66 days. You
Yes, sir.
understand? 366
Yes,
days. But a leap year has how many days? 365 days. 365 days means how many weeks? 52 weeks. In
Yes,
that
sir.
52 weeks, how many Sundays will come? 52 Sundays will come. Clear? If this is the story which I told now, that is all about non-leap year. So if I talk about leap year, I'll be having 366 days, 1 day extra, right? You understand? 1 day extra.
Yes, sir.
होता है ना? That 1 day, that can be Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It could be anything, right? वो 7 days में, that could be any 1 day, right? The possibility of being Sunday is what? 1 only, right? You can't have 2 Sundays
Yes,
in a week, right? You understand my point?
Okay, yes, sir.
That is the question. That is the answer. Okay. A number is selected at random from 1 to 75. The probability of that is that it is a perfect. What is, how many of you understood this language of the question, and how many of you?
So what does it mean perfect?
1 second.
I guess it was perfect square.
Perfect.
Yeah, perfect square.
Yeah.
This I have read.
Look at it here. A number is selected at a random from 1 to 75. The number, I mean, the probability that is a perfect. A number is selected. Look at it here. Number is selected. A number is selected. That number should be a perfect number. I mean, perfect square. Okay. What are the perfect squares? I have 1 to 75. Look at it. Let us see that. Look at these people here. Which question is
The first 8, 1 to 8.
What it? So 1, first 8, right? 1, 4.
Yes, sir.
9.
So 9, 16,
16, 25, 36,
36,
49,
49, and sir,
64, 64.
That's all, sir.
That's it, sir.
Yes, look at it, sir. Less than 75. Between 1 and 75, right? 75 can't be a perfect square. So between 1 and 75, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 numbers I have here total. So 8 numbers, right? 8 upon what? 8 upon what? 75. In those 8 numbers, 1 second. Out of 75 numbers, I have 8 perfect square. That is the meaning of the question. Hope it is clear.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Your perfect square is nothing but what? Look at 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 3 into 3.
4.
All right. That type of numbers are called as perfect square number, perfect squares. All right. So next question.
Yes.
That type of numbers I have 8 numbers between 1 and 75. What
1
is the probability of a sure event? Sure event.
is 1.
That is 1, of course, sure event. लेकिन पक्का एक event होने वाली है. तो what is होता है? क्या होता है? 1. All right. Next, what are the chances that two boys are sitting together for a photograph if there are 5 girls and 2 boys? What are the chances? What are the chances that no two boys, not two boys, no two boys are sitting together? He is asking for chances. What are the chances? Which means probability he is asking us. All right. He is asking about what are the chances is nothing but what? Probability, right? Probability meaning is what?
Yes, sir.
Chance kind of. Right?
Chances.
Yes. What are the chances that no two boys are sitting together? No two boys are sitting together for a photograph. If there are 5 girls and 2 boys, tell me, out of 7 people, look at this here. Guys, you know, I told you, right, when we started this question, I mean, when we started this topic, guys, probability is all about how good you are understanding the language of the question. If you understood the question, that's it. You can give the answer within a fraction of seconds. Do you agree with my point?
Yes, sir.
Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
If you understand
Right.
the language of the question, will you not answer the question within a fraction of seconds? See here, what he has given. No two boys he's talking about. No two boys, which means what? Boys should not come. All right. Say there are 5 girls and 2 boys are there. What is the chances that no 2 boys are sitting? Which means boys should not sit. Boys should not sit means who is going to sit there? Girls. Out of 5, look at this here. What is the probability? What is the probability? Total. Look at this. Wait, 1 second.
Favorable conditions divided by total conditions.
Look at this. Total how many?
Yes, sir.
5 balls. Oh, sorry. 5 girls. 5 girls plus 2 boys. Total 7 people are there. Out of probability of the chances that no 2 boys sit together 5 times. All right, 5 times. 5 out of 7.
Yes, sir.
You understand? Think, guys. You know, कुछ भी याद नहीं रखना इधर. कुछ भी no one should remember anything, please. Don't memorize anything here. You understand how beautiful the concept is. Probability is like such a very good chapter. See, I'm telling you, it comes in 9, 10, 11, 12. Every year it comes. Every year. It is very important for your JEE mains as well, which you are going to write after your 12th standard. All right. So very important for that, these questions, this type of questions, this kind of thought process, I mean, thinking process is very important. Hope it is clear to you all. Next question. Look at it here. If a letter of English alphabet is chosen at random, I'm going to tell you a surprise statement after finishing this discussion. I'm going to tell you a surprise statement after finishing this explanation. I mean, after finishing this discussion. Surprise statement. If a letter of English alphabet is chosen at random, then the probability of that letter is a consonant. Are you how
21 by 26.
26 alphabets.
There are
26
5
alphabets.
vowels we have.
5 vowels. So rest
Five.
of the alphabets will be consonants. So 21 will be consonant.
21 by
How simple it is.
26.
Yeah, how simple it is. Next, the probability that a non-leap year, again Saturdays. Oh, look at this here. Come on,
So there is 0, sir.
come on, guys. How can it be 0?
So that for a
So
leap
because
year,
not- there
we
are
can
not
have
two
either
odd days.
Saturday or Friday.
Sorry.
Yes, sir.
For a leap year, we can have either 53
Yes.
Saturdays or 53 Fridays.
Exactly. But try
Only
to
one
understand.
odd days.
Yes,
there.
sir.
Only one odd. Very good. So the probability that a non-leap year will have 53 Fridays and 53 Saturdays. भाई ये कहाँ से हो सकता है? एक ही दिन बचता है उधर. In that one day it could be either Saturday or Sunday. मगर दो नहीं हो सकता है ना? You understand? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So it's not possible of having 53 Sundays and 53 Fridays and Saturdays. So of course 0. Hope it is clear. Tayaba, are you getting my point, beta? सोचिए थोड़ा. Tayaba ji.
Yes, sir, I have given this right answer.
Very, very good. Congratulations. What about Aditya, Ayushman, Aditi,
Yes, sir.
Akshit? Akshit, I always get confused with the
Yes, sir.
voice of Akshit and Aditya. Actually, I feel both voices are same. Actually, yeah. Nowadays, I don't see Akshit is much involving in the class. I mean, he might be listening, but he is not voice overing. Akshit, I want you to voice over in the class. I mean, like respond to the answers. Okay, Akshit. Yes, I'm not saying you used to do,
Okay,
but
sir.
follow the same. I want you to talk continuously in the class. I mean, keep responding like Sujay, so Piyush, Kavya, Harini, Ananya. All right, and Aditi, and I should say Pranav, Bhargav. Pranav, nowadays I don't see Pranav is talking, responding much. And yes, Mohit sometimes does, but not always. Devasri, she straight away, gives if she doesn't understand anything. But yeah, Hania talks. Yes, and yes, Aditya also sometimes, but not regularly. But I want you guys to talk. I give a chance to every one of you. It is not like that. If sometimes if sometimes only one student is keep responding to the questions, I make him to stop for a while, and you must talk. The people who are not talking, I'll give a chance to them. Hope it is clear. And Modita, are you here? Modita.
Yeah, sir.
Modita, you have very, very good knowledge. I don't know why you are not, utilizing it. You are joining late, actually. You are not participating in the quiz.
Sir, I joined starting only, but I got discarded in between.
I don't want you to do this. Why? Because you are going for 10th standard. You shouldn't be
Yeah,
like
sir.
this. You understand? You are in the last stage of 9th standard. People, every one of you, not only Modita here, I'm talking to every one of you. You are in the last stage of your 9th standard. You understand my point? So how you have to be? You have to be like sharp. Kattila undali. You have to be like chapu jaisa hona chahiye. Okay? You just whenever you get a chance, you have to jump. That's it. You have to jump in 10th standard. Guys, in 10th standard, like I'm sure 10th standard में हमने जो भी सीखने वाला है, that process, that concept is going to helpful a lot for your 11th standard. ठीक है? So which में 11th standard जो भी सीख रहे हैं वो जेई के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं हम लोग indirectly. You understand? ये जो भी है भी, this process is going for your JEE mains. How many of you know what is JEE mains actually? People,
Sir, it's an
Sir,
exam
me.
to get
Sir,
into
it's an exam,
IIT.
sir.
great.
It's an
It is.
exam.
It is a
For
competitive
BTech
exam. Yes, for
for
joining in a
BTech
BTech. Yes, for joining in a NITs.
B-
All right, for joining in NITs. JEE mains is a JEE advanced is there. So JEE mains is for
If-
NITs, JEE advanced is for IITs. You understand? Your target should be
Yes, sir.
IIT, not NIT. Okay, clear? So for that you have to be very, 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 very sharp. You have to be very sharp. You have to make like that. You have to, for that what you have to do, you have to involve in the classes. See, if you all discuss online, how would it be? Tell me, guys. Discussion is very important when you are involving in the class. Discussion is very important. Please, I would suggest, I would give a chance to every one of you. I'm sure I won't give a chance to one student. Am I doing that?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Please look at this here. Next question. So what is the probability of getting two heads when you toss it twice? I'm tossing a coin twice, which means what? I'll be having four what chances? I mean, four possible outcomes here. Head, tail, head, tail, head. So what is that? Two heads. Only one possibility, right? 1 by 4. Very good. I think two players. Guys, few of you made a mistake here. Please think, guys, don't randomly choose the answers. I request every one of you. Next question. What is the probability of selecting a queen of diamonds when a card is drawn from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards? Guys, how many of you know the structure? How many of you
Sir,
know?
here queen. Sir, aren't there 4 queens in a pack of cards?
Sorry?
But there's only one queen of diamonds.
Okay, I didn't see diamonds.
Look at this here. Let me show you. I would like to show something here. Look at this here. About some flow chart kind of thing. That flow chart should be with everyone actually. Okay, that flow chart in the sense that will helps you to solve like many JEE questions too. So our guys, we are preparing for JEE. You understand, not for your board exams and all these questions. Why we are writing every day MCQs. Why we are writing only multiple choice questions. If you have subjective test too, why we are writing this? Why? Because this is a JEE preparation only. You understand? You understand? JEE also will be MCQs. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So look at it here. So for this kind of question, guys, shuffled cards. The cards question will be there. Cards question. Cards questions. For cards, you should know the first. You should know the flow chart. What is it? Flow chart. Or you say the flow chart. Not, I would say the algorithm of that. I mean the basic algorithm of That's all. अरे यार क्या हो रहा है? ये तो erase नहीं कर रहा है. एक मिनट. I'm not able to erase, guys. 1 second, people. Yes, now I can. Yes, look at it here. Total, I'll be having how many cards? 52 cards in a pack. Total 52 cards, right? In that, I just divide 26 and 26. All right, 26 red cards will be there. Red cards will be 26 and black cards will be 26. How many of you know this?
I didn't know that.
Sir, me,
I
sir.
do.
Yes, 26 black and 26 red cards will be there out of 52. 26 plus 26, 52, right? Again,
53.
again, in 26, guys, look at this here. 13 cards will be there. 13 diamond cards will be the diamond. All right, and heart. All right, this is the diamond shape here, and this is heart shape here. Okay, and again 13 here. Again, under here spade. 13 spade and club.
And club, sir.
Club. All right, this is not dub. Club. ठीक है? समझिए थोड़ा. Club. How will the club will be? Guys, I'm not good at diagram.
Sir, it's like a tree, sir.
Yes.
The club is like a tree.
This is how the club will be. All right. ये कैसा होता है?
Sir,
ये this is how the. I'm not good at diagrams. Please excuse me. Try to understand. ठीक है? So this is how the club will be. All right, people. All right. So 52 cards.
yes, sir.
52 cards. Total 52 cards. This, you know, if you're aware of this, you can solve many questions. I'm sure. थोड़ा ये आपको you like, you know, you have to aware of it.
Under diamond and all these, there will be 13 regular cards like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The other are all special cards, right?
Yeah, whatever. वो आपको नहीं चाहिए. You just leave out that. आपको whatever the information.
No, sure, because in certain questions they ask about queens and all them. Then it's then we need.
Yeah. Exactly. So we'll discuss about that as well. No problem. Look at it here. I told, right? One second. I told you, right, just now. Look at it here. I told you total 13 spades and total 13. I mean, diamond cards will be 13. Heart will be 13. Spade will be 13. And club will be 13, right? Guys, just a minute. Sorry, spelling. Yes, sorry, children. So I had to held up with something. Guys, look at this here. Here, let me take a couple of minutes extra here. Spade, right? I just told you all these 13 cards, right? Diamond. What? See, here you will be having one king. So, Jay, as you said that here one king, one queen, one jack, and one ace. All right, and next one ace card will be there, right? That gives us that will be considering as number one. All right, hello people, do you know that? Next, from 2 to 10
Yes,
cards
sir.
I'll be having.
Yes,
2 to
sir.
10 cards. Again 2 to 10 cards. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, and here what? 9 cards. 9 cards. Total 13 cards. You know, it follows with the same thing here. Look at it here. Here also same thing. 1 king, 1 queen, 1 jack, 1 ace. Again 2 to 10 cards. Here also same thing everywhere. Hope it is clear, Sujay. Guys, it is clear with everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now we'll solve the question. Now we'll look at the question here. Look at the question. Probability of selecting a queen of diamonds. Queen of diamonds. In diamond cards, one queen. Only how many queens? Look at it, diamonds. In diamonds,
So
how many
4
queens
out
you
of
get?
52.
4 out of 52.
I mean, sorry, 1 out of 50.
Only one queen, right? Diamond card.
One
In
by
diamonds,
30.
in diamond cards, only one queen will be there. In spade, in spade, in heart, in club, in every category, one queen will be there. So in diamond category, only one queen. Out of how many cards? 52 cards. 1 by 52. क्वेश्चन दिखने में बहुत बड़ा दिखता है, मगर आंसर देखो 1 by 52. ठीक है? Yes. Next question. Guys, 1 second. Let me post a message in class 10th. They have class now. Let me postpone that class to 6:30. Yes. So look at this. A card is drawn 52 cards random. Probability of getting neither an ace nor a king. Neither ace nor king. कितना होता है?
So 11 out of 13.
How? Can anyone of you explain this? A card is drawn.
Because there are total 13 cards, and if you exclude 2 of them, it will be 11. So favorable outcome is 11. Total is 13.
Exactly. All right. 52 cards random. The probability of getting neither ace nor, if you exclude those two, 11 out of 13. Very simple. So digit is chosen at random from the digit is probability of odd number. ये तो बहुत simple है. So the three guys, any doubts in the previous question? Odd number guys. Total number of उसमें
No,
odd
sir.
odd
No,
choose
sir.
करना है. बहुत लड्डू question है, ठीक है? Next, if the 3 coins are tossed simultaneously, then the probability of getting at least 2 hits. Very simple. I don't want to discuss this. Already we have discussed many times.
1 by 2.
The probability of guessing the correct answer to a certain test questions is x by 2. The probability of not guessing the questions is 2 by 3. Then x is what? How can you do this?
So like x by 12 plus 2 by 3 is
By
equal to
12
1.
plus 2 by
2 by 3
is equal to 1.
sir.
Is sum of all probabilities equal to what? 1. So not
One.
not guessing correct and guessing correct. So x by 12 plus 2 by 3 is equal to 1. Solving a equation. That's it. All right. Hope it is clear. Next, Arushi sold 100 lottery tickets in which 5 tickets carry prizes. And if Priya purchased a ticket, what is the probability of Priya winning a prize?
So 1 by 20, sir. 5 by 100 is equal to
5
1.
by 100 equals to 1 by 100.
Exactly, 5 out of 100. So 5 ones, 5 20s. A number is selected from 50 natural numbers. From first to 50 natural numbers, what is the probability of? That is a multiple of 3 or 5. Oh,
So it's like 3 into what equals to nearly 50. So 3 into 16.
So it's 23
48.
numbers.
So 16 plus 10.
sorry. Yes, please,
Sir, or you can use that method as well.
yes. Someone was talking before you, Sujay. Who was that?
For me.
So Hania.
Yes, Ania, please. Can you come back again?
So like 5, like some of the multiples are, okay, I'm unable to explain it now.
No problem. You can see. You explain in your way. No one is gonna question you. Yes.
So see 3 into 40, 3 into 16 equals to 48, in which some numbers like 45, 30, 15, like 3 or 4 numbers are not like common, so we don't need to add all.
Exactly.
So like
the
7.
numbers, the numbers whichever you meant to say, the number whichever multiples of 3 and commonly. That's what you meant to say.
Yes, sir. So can I explain?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So what I saw in this question is multiples of 3, the highest multiple of 3, that is the closest to below 50 is 48, sir, which is 3 into 16. So there are 16 numbers over there, sir. And multiples of 5 was 10, sir. Like,
10
sorry,
exactly.
9.
9. If
because
you, yes,
50 is not counted.
50, yes. 50 is not counted.
Yes, so when we add up both of them and by 50.
Hmm.
And sir, we get 23, I think.
Exactly. Those, look at this here. 3, you can say 3, what do you call it? 48. So yes, 23. And any other explanation? Anyone of you? See,
Sir,
right?
I did it like when we should take the multiples of 3 and we'll get 16.
Hmm.
After that, we should take multiples of 5, we'll get 10.
Hmm.
And then when you add it, you'll get 25.
Hmm.
No, 26. Sorry,
26.
26. But you have to exclude multiples of 15 because they will be counted twice.
Counted. Yes, counted twice. Why? Because 15
Yes,
is a
sir.
common multiple of 3 and 3 and 5.
Yes, sir. So minus 3 because
Exactly.
15, 30, and 45.
Very good
If
question.
minus that, it will be
Very
23.
good question. That is also correct, guys. Did you understand now? The people who made the, guys, many of you made a mistake here. The guys who have made a mistake here, did you understand now? Guys, what you have to do here? You just write multiples of 3 till 50. How many I'll be having? We'll be having 16. All right. So you write multiples of 5 as well. Now you have to exclude from multiples of 3 and multiples of 5. You need to exclude multiples of 15. Multiples of 15. All right. Why? Because they are common. Why? Because 15 is a common multiple of 3 and 5. That is the reason. That is the reason you need to avoid that. Why? Because they'll be counted. They'll be counted twice. Why? Because if you just, first of all, let's an example. You take 15. 15 will come in 3 table as well as 5 table. You understand? So we'll be counting twice. So for that is the reason I need to exclude 3 numbers. So if I exclude 3 numbers from 26 numbers, I'll be getting 23. Sir, from where 26 numbers came here? Guys, 16 numbers of 16 multiples of 3 and 10 multiples of 5. So 10 plus 6, how much? 16. So 26. So 26 minus 3. That's how we can solve it. Hope it is clear. If you don't
Yes, sir.
understand, you ask me in the next class. We'll be conducting one more quiz. We'll discuss it. Okay. Next question.
Yes, sir.
A card is drawn at a random from 52 cards. The probability of drawing card is not an ace. Not an ace. Are you not ace means excluding the ace, all other cards. So 12 by 13. In a single throw of pair of dice, the probability of getting a sum of perfect square. Perfect square.
7 by 36.
A single throw of a
7
pair of
by
dice.
36.
Guys, look at this here, pair of dice, which means 2 dice. Pair is nothing but 2, right? So 2 dice. So total outcomes, possible outcome 36. उसमें pair. Perfect square कितना होता है? 2, 4,
2.
9, 16.
Sir, 2 isn't a perfect
Sorry,
square, right?
I'm sorry. Huh. If you count like 7 numbers, all right, 7 you will be having out of 36. So that is how you have to just answer this question. 2 dice are rolled simultaneously. The probability of that they show different faces. Different faces. Tell me. अरे यार एक ही तो हो सकता है where you have a same face, isn't it?
5 by 6.
Guys, there will be only one time where you can see the same face. The rest of all the faces will be different only, no? You understand my point? When you roll 2
Yes,
dice
sir.
simultaneously, there will be only one case where you get to see the same number on the respective faces. You understand? So he's asking what probability that they show different faces. कितना times हो सकता है? 5 times. 5 times you get different faces, and only one time you get to see same faces on the both dices. So 5 by 6. Hope it is clear, guys. Are you able to understand the way I explained?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Simple. So next, what is the probability that a leap year 52 Mondays? Array 52 Mondays.
5.
What is the
5 by
probability that
7.
yes?
5 by
because
7.
What is the probability that a leap year has? Leap year has 52 Mondays. 52 Mondays. How, okay, can anyone of you explain? Wait, Akshit, can you explain? Akshit, did you solve this? No. Pranav, can you explain this, Pranav? Pranav? No. Harini, can you explain this?
So no ideas. But I've read this question somewhere. So
I can't hear
I'll
you,
solve.
Pranav. I can't hear you, Pranav. Okay, Harini, no problem. Can Sujay explain this? No problem.
So can I?
1 second. Nitya, can you explain this?
Can I?
Nitya, no. Modita, can you explain this? No. Yes, you can.
Okay, sir. So it's like sir, leap year has 2 odd days, right? So the probability that the odd days include Mondays 2 by 7, because it can be either Sunday and Monday, or it can be Monday and Tuesday. So then the probability of not having Mondays as a extra day is as a odd day is like 1 minus 2 by 7 equal to 5 by 7.
Yes. Can you explain your way, Aditi?
Since a leap year has 2 days, we'll exclude we have Sunday and Monday and Tuesday. So the other favorable outcomes can be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday. The total number of other favorable outcomes are 5. So we can take it as 5 by 7.
Okay. Good. Guys, how many of you understood this?
Yes, sir, understood.
Very simple, guys. Very simple.
Yes,
Look at
sir.
it here. What he has given here, number of days in leap, how much? Kitna din ho, sir? 366. What is the probability that a leap year has 52 Mondays? So every leap year will be having how many? 52 Sundays, 52 Mondays, whatever. All right, 52 weeks, nothing but every leap year will be having those many days, right? 52 Sundays, 52 Mondays, could be. All right. Now there will be 52 weeks and what? 2 odd days. As I told that, the remaining 2 days could be what? Possible. What is the possible pair of those days? Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Sunday. ऐसा कुछ भी. All right. Getting my point?
Yes.
You understand my point?
Yes, sir.
Total, how many pairs is possible? Out of how many pairs? Sunday, Monday.
5 pairs.
5 pairs.
Total लेको, there will be total 7 pairs out of 7 pairs. Okay. So only 2 pairs have how many Sundays? Look at this here. If you observe properly, look at this here.
That is Saturday and Monday,
Yes,
sir.
Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, and Saturday, Sunday. How many pairs? This pair and this pair only have Sundays here. Look at this. You understand my
2.
point?
Yes.
He's talking about Mondays here, right? He's talking about Mondays. If you talk about Mondays, okay. If you talk about Mondays, what are how many pairs Mondays have here? This one and this one. All right.
2, sir.
Okay. The probability of, what is the question? The probability of has 52 Mondays is what? In a leap year, 5 by 7. So only 2 pairs are
5 by
in the
7.
year. 5 by 7. That is how we can just proceed out. Okay. So next question. And a bag contains cards numbered from 1 to 25. A card is drawn at a random from the bag. The probability that the number on this card is divisible by both 2 and 3. Guys, 1 to 25 number ले लो. उसमें you take the number whichever is the multiple of 2 and 3. I mean, common multiple you have to take. What are the common multiples of 2 and 3 between 1 to 25?
So 6, 12, 18, and
6, 2.
24.
Very good, guys.
6, 12, 18, 24.
6, 12, 18.
4 on 25.
Yes, 4 out of 25. Very simple question. Guys, did you understand the question?
36.
Yes. Guys, I told you, right, a surprise statement. Guys, this is a class 10 quiz. Everyone have done very good job. This is a class 10 probability quiz, not 9th. So which means you are aware of, so which means you can play football with a 10th class probability lesson. You understand my point now?
Yes.
Yes,
Isn't it?
sir.
Yes, sir.
You can play whatever the game you want. So which means you are able to solve 10th standard quiz as well, 10th standard probability lesson as well. That was a surprising statement, not 9th statement, the 9th probability, 10th probability. Hope it is clear. How it was, it was easy and bit challenging too, isn't it?
Yes, if you understand the question, then it's easy.
Okay.
It was mostly easy, sir.
Yes, mostly easy, but 10th standard, 10th standard probability will also be in that range only, not more than this. But 11th standard will be having like somewhat deeper. Okay. Okay, children. Thank you. Have a nice day. I took 15 minutes extra. I have class right now. Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.